So that's the back. And
If
then
you look closely, I didn't even see this. Each sleeve has the whole crew on it. Hell yeah.
alright. Onward.
No, we're going backwards.
Offward. Well, before
At the
she told me
light,
that, she
turn
wanted
left onto West Silverado Ranch
to... God damn, you're
Boulevard.
loud.
Chimkin.
Chicken. Oh, McKee? Let's hurry up. Hunting. Fishing. Camping. Bass Pro Shops. And we're here.
Period.
I just realized the parking lines are fish. You know, this is my first time being in here.
Really?
Yep. It's freaking huge. A fish mystery.
Hello, key on. I'd wear this.
Jingle Bell shotgun shells.
Hell yeah. Here's my child. Oh my god, he's so fluffy compared to my Spinky out me. My Princess Sherbert back at home. Huh?
Was like one fisherman back home.
What you looking at?
This one's just fucking... What? What do you want?
You're so dirty. Nice.
I fear no man, but that thing, it scares me.
Yeah.
Look at this toilet paper.
My stomach is all like...
Paper towels. In raw form.
Oh my
god.
Isn't she a beauty? She is beautiful.
Oh, look at a pumpkin.
Pumpkin!
What is a rain? What? You're so lucky.
Look!
Oh. Hey, buddy.
She's like,
Okay.
hi.
Nice work.
Buffalo!
Nice.
Buffalo!
Sick. Wow. Nice. Times 4. Nice.
Nice.
Cash out before we crash out. Not bad. So it seems like we're switching gears now. Have to go get our helmet.
Goddamn rinsed last night. I didn't want to touch none no more. Tonight's fit finna go crazy. We throwing that down. Type shit.
What the hell? Cycle gear?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We have the K3 and the K6.
Okay, I'll look at those then.
You know your size at all?
I think I'm a small.
This is a medium. You could try this on while I go get that ladder and look for
Okay, thank you. This is actually the one I was looking at, but I wanted an all black one. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit a medium.
really closest thing to a small bike that I own. It's more like a dirt bike. Roids,
I don't think it could fit.
Medium?
For you. I might honestly.
there's how does that one feel? How does that one feel?
It feels good.
You probably ordered that one in the color you want. I can check the back to see if you have one in like black or something.
Yeah, I was looking for black.
Black? You can go see the back.
Hopefully, oh sorry. Hopefully they have it, a black one in my size. Because originally, I was looking at AGVs. I get it, the wind and the ears, not all that great. But a KYT looks really nice. But I like the look of AGVs. I'm just sad that they don't have K1Ss. That's the specific one I wanted. But a K1 wouldn't be too bad either. Hopefully they have it in a color my size.
I also brought out a K6 if you can try it on.
Okay.
Medium as well.
Sweet, thank you. Imagine if I get a K6.
It is worth it.
A good friend of mine says a K6.
It is worth it. It's carbon too. It's gonna be
Carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber.
as well. And then once you throw like a mirrored visor on there,
Yeah.
so I got the mirrored visor. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I like the look because it doesn't have the vents
Yeah.
on this one. And then we have the button as well. You push to open.
Oh yeah.
It is nice.
Oh yeah.
So worth it.
It's just my hair is so thick.
𝗔𝗹𝗹 is phenomenal. For the, you know, the price of what you pay for what you're getting is stellar.
We also have a small too. If you try
This one actually fits perfectly.
Eventually, you're gonna be like,
Can I get this one?
Do you want to try the small though, just in case? I do
No, this is
recommend-
actually like the
like
specific one I want.
Okay.
This is tempting. How much is this one?
This one behind that 6, like $5.99.
Ooh, this is tempting. Is that the K3?
3, yeah. You want to try that one on or look at it?
Yeah, can I look at that one? Dude, I really like the look of the K6.
this is a phenomenal choice.
Ooh, but I like the vents because I do wear glasses.
But this is
I honestly might go with that one. How much is K3 again? $2.99. I honestly might get that one because I wear glasses.
the quietest helmets on the market. That's
Yeah,
one thing
and
I
it
will
has
say about
the
the
drop down visor as
quietest
well.
helmets.
So
Nice. And then do you guys have like purple visors for this one? Or do you think I would have to order that one?
maybe order it.
Okay.
I think that's for Alice. Too.
No.
It's close to purple.
Oh yeah. Yeah, no more gambling for me. Putting all my money down on this.
This one also has the quick release.
Oh, sick.
Roll the helmet on your head. What the plan is, I'm trying to roll it to cover your eyes.
Yeah.
See how it covers.
No more gambling for me. All my money's going to this.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna do these two.
Gotcha. You want to try this on just one more time?
Yeah.
All wobbling around in your dome, and you're like, see how it's
And a whole half size too. You don't want the one that fits perfect. You want the one that fits
now.
like
My
a little
concern
bit
is I just
tighter
don't want it
than
like
usual,
drilling,
like
take
snug
the helmet
on
off and
since
leave
it is
on
gonna
your
break.
forehead, like,
Yeah.
That's a little tight. Yeah.
Oh
More comfy with the glasses.
Yeah. Because I use an Arai.
Oh yeah. All the ride helmets have those glasses slots.
I'm gonna do this one.
This one?
Sorry, Pedro. I'm going with AGV. That's awesome. Just one googly eye. Let's go. New helmet. Now I gotta install a cardio system. That's gonna be a bitch to do. Terrell, I don't know if you're gonna see this, but as much as I love your expensive ass fucking helmet, when we're on the freeway and we wanna go zoom, that helmet literally goes swoop. And I'm like, oh. So. And you can't say, just say you hate me. Just say you hate me. Oh, this is like perfect. Oh, we finna cook with some bike pics when we get back home. I'm so cooking. Okay, now the question is this gonna fit to go home? We gotta take it, what, almost how many miles?
2,800.
Almost 300,000 miles?
300,000? God damn. Went to the fucking moon?
Hell yeah,
Back?
we did. I gotta travel 3,000 miles with this on an airplane.
What'd you get?
I got the BDI ramen. My Asian habanach over here. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Bag secured. Food.
Helmet. I mean the taxes here.
Make a helmet sound.
Helmet. Wallet.
Wallet.
Quick. Make a wallet sound. Wallet.
That's not the sound a wallet makes. This is. We're gonna put the audio, but okay.
Actually, that was really
Something called editing, fool. I'm so happy.
I feel like a fucking kid in a candy store right now. Hell yeah. It's fucking sexy. Dude.
I like a cut G.